Oh.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, we're good.
Good.
I'm going inside. Holy fuck. Walk up there, Mom. Give me this camera. Let me walk up there with it.
Okay.
We got it, though. We'll give it to you.
Yeah, I think there's another foot over there.
One dead leg. Goddamn, blew his boot all. Wow. Wow.
A chair just chopsticks.
What chair?
Yep. Chopsticks. It just dusted him, didn't it? Yeah, there's his other leg. There's a piece went over there. I don't know, maybe an arm. But he's definitely hickey.
Yeah.
Damn, he had 2 legs left. There's another one. Yeah, that chair got. Yeah. That chair got. Blew his helm down.
Wow.
2 legs. I think I see the head, or the hair.
Yeah, pick up his hair. That's what we need to get a close-up of, the hair. This is going to be a good video. Not good like it should have been. If I'd have known it was going to do that, we'd have taken better preparation about videoing.
There's his ball cap. Right in front of you, ball cap.
No, that's just more hair.
More hair.
He's shredded his jeans, dude.
Jesus, dude. It blew holes in the boots. Look at the boot.
Low pressure.